Okay, this one's weapon. I just think he looks cool. Hey! Hell yeah! This one's Pharol X Gillator. These things are amazing how I want. And this was her. And of course it is. Hey, what's on the saddle? This one was my first time. Advanced sharks. Yeah, Enoch's another one. And I just think it looks really cool. Yes, Enoch! Hydorous was just one I think. He does a really cool paint job. This one's Rascal. Look at what happens when she opens. Boom. This one is Evo Dragonoid. He's good with swing shots. But Tyler misses the gate up sometimes. Or back. But yeah. I think Anakin would like it. This is really good at spinning. My one doesn't do it sometimes. Hey. Hydranoid X Krakelios is another one. And that's got really cool cutout icon on the his side. It just looks cool. What? The bottom part is Krakelios' tentacles. And then Hydranoid's heads are here. Also, it's a cool paint job. Fenneca is really good for blocking 8. And she can help damage dice that use Helixes. It's like ones with Hydranoid from the first season. The first the Darkus Hydranoid. And his 2 Helixes and does 8 damage. Then Hydorous. He's a cool cat. I like cats and horses stuff.